Okay, hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Ali Sulaiman.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Safwan, and today's presentation we are going to present about our 4-bit multiplier.
So, first one, I will explain the concept of multiplier. So, when we say multiplier, so which is mean we multiply two 4-bit numbers, which is this A3 until A0, which is this the first input, and BT until B0 is the second input. So we put the value BT until B0, which is BT is the MSB and B0 is the LSB. So when we do the multiplication, we just do like a normal multiplication, which is B0 will multiply A0. So the next B0 A1, next B0 multiply A2, next B0 multiply A3, and the following will follow the same step as this. So this is B0, this is B1, B2 and B3. So when we adding like a normal multiplication, we will see there is a 4. There is a 4-bit adder, which is this is the first input. This is the first, and then the next adder, which is the value of this, when it add the summation of it, we add together until here. So we add, and the third adder is the summation of the previous adder. We will add to the value this, and next all the adder we will brought down, and then which is C1 until C7. C7 is the MSB, C1 is the LSB. That's all for me. Next.
Okay, next is the Verilog code part. Okay, this is the Verilog code for the 4-bit multiplier. This is the declaration of the input and output. This assign temp 0 to temp 14 is just the end. It's just we putting the input, just these 4 inputs, and ending going through the AND gate to get 1 bit, so it's easier to plug into the 4-bit adder. This part is where we use the 3 4-bit adders. This is the first stage, second stage, and then third stage. And then this is our 4-bit adder Verilog code, which we call in the multiplier Verilog code. Okay, now moving towards the hardware. This is the hardware. In the pin planner, we assigned the rightmost 4-bit of switches as the first input, and the leftmost 4-bit switches as the second input. So when we, for example, we use the first bit, the first input as 1 1 1 1, and the second bit is also as 1 1 1 1. We get the results of the light up LED is for 1, and the not light up is for 0. So we got 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 and 1. Now if we check using the calculator, we also get the same value. So we know that the coding for the 4-bit multiplier is correct, and we managed to create a 4-bit multiplier using Verilog code. And that is all from us. Thank you.